So are we ready to reverse for naked? So naked went to our support level as we expected to go before. We talked about it 2 months ago, and as well we talked about it in Patreon. As we said, we're gonna see the price hold above this support to go to jump again in the pre-market, as we said, and the price jumped again and went down a bit because we went to near our box of rejection area. And right now we holding important support, which is the $5.66 here. So if we hold for naked for this level of support, we're gonna see another jump, and this time test the $6.81. You know what gonna happen in $6.81? There's will be our rejection area, because we gonna meet our resistant level and our exponential average. Like it's still not drawn yet, but we can draw it, and we can see the rejection will be here. So I'll be extra careful after this jump. However, right now I will be extra careful for this support to hold. Right now we have a bit of struggle for naked, because there's a lot of selling pressure the moment that we jumped here. And the pre-market, wait a second, yes, in the pre-market today we jumped pretty good around the $6.26.7, and the price went down because we have a lot of volatility, and the price went down. So right now we want to hold this level in order to test the $6.81. After that, we're gonna see the reversal here. The moment that we broke from this level, it was bearish sign for me around the 10th of December. Okay, the 10th of December was like the bearish sign for naked the moment that we broke this level, and we warned you. As said, the moment that we broke from this level is a warning sign and bearish momentum. You see, you don't have to hold for this massive momentum down almost 40%. So you just buy when the price come to us, which is, we said, the $4.93, and look how crazy it is. We bounced from it perfectly around the 28th of December. Yeah, we visited this area, then 29th of December we jumped. So as I said, right now it's 0.70% up. We just want to hold above this technical of support. By tomorrow, if we have a pre-market price go around the 6, will be a good sign for buying pressure happening for naked, and the price starting to reverse again. So if you have any question, comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt.